Okay, cab's on and working. Let's go ahead and reboot it. See if it comes back up. So the problem is sometimes when I start it up, it will go through the startup sequence, launch the video, and then die. Sometimes, and then in subsequent attempts to restart it, turn it on and off, etc., it will just start up to a black screen. Let's see if it does it here. Okay, this looks like it's going to work. Oh, no, maybe not. Right, this might boot to the black screen. So I can usually skip past this when it's working correctly. Yeah, there we go. And then it'll just sit like that indefinitely. And then I'll, attempt to reboot, and then that subsequent reboots, it'll never even come back up. I mean, I can see the box sitting here on, but, probably can't see that very well, but, again, everything's hooked up because it's been working. It just sometimes doesn't.